Ever wonder if cracking your knuckles really causes arthritis or if it's just a myth? Stick around, because in the next few seconds I am going to reveal the real science behind this health misconception. Turns out studies show knuckle cracking doesn't cause arthritis, though it may irritate joints slightly and release trapped gas. Here's the real deal. The sound comes from gas bubbles popping, not bones grinding, and the risk is mostly social embarrassment. What other myths have you heard about your body? Comment below and subscribe to uncover the truth behind more myths.